These miso chicken skewers are so tasty. You can use them for an appetizer or for a dinner. I've always received compliments and requests for the recipe when I've served this chicken. The best part of this recipe is that it is so easy to make. Let me show you how. Let's take a half a cup of rice vinegar or white wine vinegar. Four tablespoons of soy or liquid aminos. Two tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. About 4 dashes of hot sauce. And 3 to 4 tablespoons of miso. Now, whisk that well. Now take your chicken thighs and pat them dry. Then cut them into strips. And I do cut some of this fat off. Now let's cut this into strips. Okay, and then I'm going to skewer it. Spread that on the skewer so it will cook well. Now I have put all of my chicken on the skewers, and I'm going to put the marinade onto the chicken. It's easiest if you aren't using skewers to put the chicken and the marinade into a plastic bag and let them marinate that manner. But since we're on skewers, the skewers would poke holes in the bag. So let's apply the marinade to the chicken and just lay it in a pan. And we want to leave this chicken in the marinade for about an hour.